Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to demonstrate to you today a fantastic way to make money online. In today's video, I will demonstrate to you how to set up a free CPA marketing strategy, attract qualified traffic to your CPA offerings, and earn repeat CPA commissions. Sounds interesting? To be notified whenever I release a new money-making strategy, please like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Let's get started. First, go to My Offers in the Offers Tools section. This is the cpagrip network that we will be utilizing. Change the country to My Offers after you reach all countries. This will load all of the various CPA offerings for various nations. These are the various CPA offerings, and these are the payouts, as you can see. When you send a lead, you will be compensated in this amount. So, we will choose one of these offers from the list. As you can see, these offers pay between $2 and $3 per lead. But what if we could earn up to $23 per lead? Clicking on the top of this reward will take us to the CPA offers with the highest payoff available. You should click on the payout again because we are now receiving the offers with the lowest payouts first. Now, we are filtering proposals with the largest payouts. If we open this offer, you can see it is a PlayStation 5 offer, and you'll get paid $23 when someone enters their credit card information to win a PS5. Therefore, if you only bring in 2 or 3 leads, you can expect to make between $60 and $70. You can choose between an offer for an iPhone or a PS5. Now, we want to create a landing page for any offer you choose. If you market your CPA offer without a landing page, the CPA network may prohibit you. We don't want to bring traffic straight to our CPA offer because of this. They will first be directed to our landing page. After that, we will lead them to our CPA offer from that landing page. Now, for this example, we'll use the PS5 offer, and we now want to create a landing page for it. We're going to use this site called brizzy.cloud to create a landing page. Click the Get Started Now, it's free button as soon as you land on this website. After that, you will be prompted to register for their service. To register for a free account, complete this form. This is how your dashboard will look like once you have logged into your account. Click on the Create a New Project plus sign to start a landing page. You must pick one of these options here. Click Create to create the landing page that we desire, and as you can see, it has given us a completely blank project. To access the landing page builder and begin updating your landing page, click Edit Project. Here it says to start building your page, as you can see. Now, select Create Your Own by clicking this plus symbol. Now, if we look at the left side of the screen, we'll notice this plus icon. If we click on it, we can view a variety of various elements that we can utilize to create our landing page from scratch. There are numerous elements like texts, buttons, images, and more. By clicking on an element and dragging it directly here, you may create the landing page by just dragging and dropping these pieces. Then, you should replace this content with the wording from your CPA offer. But we can use a pre-made template rather than creating a landing page from scratch. We can use these pre-made templates with just one button click if we click the plus button, which reveals a wide variety of them. Say you want to select this template. In this case, click on it. The result is that the template is currently available. Our landing page will be ready after the tag text has been changed to an image. Copy the title of your CPA offer and go back to the cpagrip network. If your CPA offer is written in a language other than English, then there's no problem. The text can be copied and pasted onto your landing page. Or we can utilize Google Translate to change it to the English language. Copy the text and go to translate.google.com and paste it here. An approximate translation into English will result from this. You can copy this content and use it as the title by pasting it here. This image can now be brought to the top in the same manner. We now wish to replace this image with one of our CPA offers. So, go ahead and obtain a PS5 image first, since the CPA offer is a PS5 offer. Click on the top of this image once you have a photo. Then, click this image button here. This image needs to be deleted, and you can upload another one from your device from this location. You can see that I posted this picture. By clicking here and selecting the preferred color, we can now alter the backdrop color. Now that you have clicked on it, we want to attach this button to our CPA link. Let's substitute click here or something similar from the current content. Click this link icon after that. You should paste your CPA URL here. Copy your CPA link from the CPA grip, return to this page, and paste it there. It's time to press the up arrow to publish this landing page. You can see a preview of our landing page by clicking this button so that you can see what visitors will see when they arrive at this page. Go to this website named Backpage after copying this URL. Keep watching because I'm gonna give you some advice on how to get people to your CPA offer and quickly persuade them to enter it. Thus, pay close attention right now. You want to join up with your Google account after you get to this website and click Sign Up. You will be taken to this page after completing the sign up procedure. This button that says Post Ad will bring you to this page, and since we don't want to spend any money, we want to select this option, Post Free Ad. You can see that it is now asking you to select a location. When we visit the CPA offer, we can see that Sweden is the country that we are targeting. Sweden can be found under the European continents, and right here, if we go down a little bit, we can see Sweden. Now, it doesn't matter which city you select. Next, we want to select a section, a computer section, and a category for services. This next section is the tricky one. The CPA offer headline can be copied and pasted here, but we want to write something that will catch readers' attention so that more people will examine the page and we can generate leads. In order to entice individuals to visit your CPA offer, type something like free PS5 giveaway, and then add that only the first 10 people can take advantage of this opportunity. Then, you need to provide a brief description here. So, type something along these lines. You should paste the link to your landing page here. If sharing links is prohibited, you can include a space after the dot and make sure to include a note that users must remove the space before pasting the link. Also, remove the HTTPS from the link as well. As you can see, we are stating that the first 10 individuals may enter each day. People will therefore be forced to enter your CPA offer because of the urgency created by this. Enter your target age next, after which you can type any place. You can omit the email and phone numbers from the fields. To upload an image, click Choose Files here. Next, you should click Proceed after checking these two boxes. After that, you should post something to this website. So, as you can see, we are promoting our CPA offer by focusing on our target country in order to increase the CPA conversion rate. What do you think of this approach? Please comment below. I strongly urge you to watch my other videos right away if you haven't already. And if you want to learn more ways to legitimately earn money online, then don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on all notifications. Also, leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.